Well, we may have a Cat 5 on our hands this morning as of 7 a.m. PST, August 16th. And Recon has just found 927 millibar pressure. This thing has absolutely gone insane. I mean, 927 millibar pressure, 5 mile wide eye, 156 knots of flight level wind. I mean, holy shit. And let's take a look at it. Here's the IR image of it. It's moving south of west. Look at that. South of west. The thing, let's be honest, it's a Cat 5 hurricane. I mean, you could argue that, but I'd say it's a Cat 5 hurricane. And that's just the way it is. And yeah, I mean, we also have a visible image to show you of this extraordinary storm. Perfect in every way. Perfect in every way. And then you see on the data file at least at 130, but this data supports at least 140. Area forecast shows west to west northwest in the next couple of days, and northwest and northward, clearly out to sea. But I mean, it's just extraordinary development. This system is definitely has moved more southward. I mean, wow. As of 8 a.m., I think standard time, it was 145 miles per hour, moving west northwest at 20, which is bullshit because it's clearly moving west southwest. I mean, models show west northwestward, but I mean, it's a super hurricane, so of course it's already off. So it's become more likely that the western portion of this could be more accurate. We'll have to see. Clearly, we're going to have a very strong trough. It's going to pull it northward the next 72 hours, most likely. The GEPS. And one just has to wonder if that western side is more likely as the system gets stronger. I mean, no, it doesn't hit land, but we'll have to. Yeah. And we should be in very close to, within the next 12 hours, we have this thing probably peaking. And we should see a slow weakening in and after. As conditions become less favorable as it moves in to the weakness. But we'll probably see a Cat 4 for at least next 60 to 72 hours. Depending on eyewall cycles and how it interacts with the weakness. Yeah. Wow. Just amazing. An amazing storm. Here's it at 24 hours. 48 hours. We do got a little bit of a low pressure to the north of it, which CNC does say has a slight chance of development as a 10%. This also enhances the weakness. And they say only a slight chance of development possible. So, Take a look at that. Yeah, it has a bit of an LSC, but under a very heavy share. This thing will help the weakness form. We got a system coming off the Cape Verde, which is probably our next system that we watched, and boy, do we have to watch that. I mean, because also low pressure on the GFS at 72, 96. Yeah. What do you see them where you're at for 96? CMC. There's 126. GFS. Yeah, that system is only about 1,009 on this one. You got a couple systems in the MDR. Like, well, has been pretty resistant on that. Enters the Caribbean, 168. CMC forms the eastern one more. Yeah. ECMF, the western one. Let's go back to GFS. 192. 997 millibars. 216. 994. Nothing in the East Pacific today. The eastern one, the CMC develops the eastern one more. I think we're gonna get something else coming off the Cape Verde in about 4 to 5 days that deserves a 20% label. And while the CMC does develop something in the Eastern Pacific at 240, let's look at the GFS. It doesn't show anything in the East Pacific. Well, it shows the Western lobe developing to 980 millibars. ECAI shows it actually getting pulled into the trough. Yeah, that's your tropical update. Amazing.